Hello friends, in this video I will show how to add a border to your Microsoft Word document. So simple and easy way. Open Word document, then design. And in design just you have to click on page borders. Now here you can select border like box, shadow and 3D. You can change style, you can change color, you can set the width. Here is the preview. Then just click on OK. That's it. So as we can see, we have this border through Word document. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add a frame to your Word document. As we can see, this Microsoft Word document has a frame. So like this, you need to add a frame. Click on this design tab. Here guys, you have to click on edge border. Now you can select border from here like box or 3D custom, and here you can change the style. Color, width and click on OK like this. So as we can see, we have now this frame. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.